Hello everyone! Today I decided to make a mac and cheese recipe with a little healthy twist to it by adding zucchini and also replacing regular pasta with gluten-free corn macaroni. For this recipe we will need the following ingredients: 500 grams corn elbow macaroni pasta, 700 milliliters whole milk, 1 large garlic clove, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon nutmeg, 40 grams quinoa flour, 400 grams grated zucchini, 300 grams grated sharp cheddar cheese, 50 grams unsalted butter, 300 grams grated Gouda cheese. To prepare this dish, we will start by melting the butter in a large pan and adding a pressed garlic clove, sautéing it for 1 minute on medium heat. Now add the zucchini and sauté it for 3 minutes, stirring frequently. I will now add the quinoa flour, in which I added half teaspoon salt, over the sautéed zucchini. Whisk in the flour, stirring constantly, and cook for 2 minutes, reducing the heat a bit to avoid burning. And now gradually add milk, whisking constantly, and increase the heat to high. Continue to whisk until the milk comes to a simmer and thickens. This should take about 5 minutes. Add the mustard, cayenne pepper, nutmeg, and smoked paprika, then whisk to mix them up. Reduce the heat to medium-low and gradually add the cheddar and Gouda cheese, stirring well until the cheeses have melted completely. Once the water is boiling, add the elbow pasta and cook them al dente. This means we will have slightly undercooked pasta for our mac and cheese before putting them in the oven. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. When cooked, drain the pasta, add them in a large pot and pour over the melted cheese and zucchini sauce, mixing everything well together. To finish this recipe, take a baking form and add the pasta, then press them with a spatula. I took 2 smaller baking forms today, but there is no general rule to it. Now place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until you have a golden brown crust on top.